start with bicep curls.
Kaya mo yung naniyahayang nagtong na ito ah.
3 pounds mo kung gamit mo. Dapat itong gamit mo.
So we'll do as many as we can in 30 seconds. So things to do, make sure that your elbow is
Ayun gatay.
Then make sure as well to turn your pinky up. This one. Make sure that our bicep will be targeted. Okay? Then slightly bend your knees. Rest for 35 seconds. Again, your knees will be slightly bent and not being forward, being up. Should stand straight. And then your elbow must be standing. 15, 16.
Ganit na, kapit na 50 seconds.
Next, mini shoulder press. The shoulder press, starting from here. Make sure it will be 90 degree. Not like this, not like that. Okay? Then, slightly bend, push, upward.
Ano yan, mabot sa...
Shoulder way up. Then make sure you do not come down like this. Up. And then save. Slightly bend.
Deligrado.
Knees. It's good to do this class when you are like half the mirror in front of you. Then engage your core. Exhale, going up, and inhale, going down.
2 sets niya, so palikod nyo niya.
Gravity, we need to exhale using our mouth and then inhale the rest using our nose. Next will be tricep skip back. So for tricep skip back, okay, sentiment of our knees and lean body forward. Okay, make sure you're not doing like this or bending forward. Then make sure that your elbow is stationary. Then bend back, push. Same. 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 Shoulder weight running up. Then squeeze your triceps. Same. 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 Okay, that's triceps kick back. Next will be seesaw arm row. Seesaw arm row. Slightly bend pa rin yung paa natin. Then shoulder width. And then we will 45 degree and 90 degree. Then we will row. Then our shoulder must be engaged here. Our shoulder will be our target. Okay? So make sure that you are not forming an arc or like this.
Straight ang
So it should be, must be straight. Okay? So focus your shoulder. Then you should not forget to breathe as you speak, exercise. Make sure you are not marking your back. Okay. Next will be the lateral arm raise. For the lateral arm raise, we put our extend our arms and then we will raise it. Then our elbow must be slightly bent. Okay? You will raise your arms, not totally at the side. So you will move it here. Slightly
forward.
Okay? Same procedure, shoulder width, slightly bend, then going up, exhale, going down, inhale. Exhale, inhale, 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 inhale. Make sure glass that you will not go up high. It must be shoulder level only. Engage your core. Okay. Now next will be the dumbbell upright. The dumbbell upright, put our dumbbell here.
Sa tingin ko tayo.
Carry it upward. Okay? Our elbow must be going up. Our flexion must be going up. Okay? Our elbow must carry the load, not our shoulder. So I want it to do this way. Okay? While pulling, you blow or exhale. Then inhale, you blow. Now, same procedure. Our feet must be shoulder width activated. Okay, shouldn't be your shoulder doing the activity, doing the movement. Okay?
Sapan mo. Sabay na po niya.
Very good. Now, we are down to our last exercise, which
Last
is
exercise.
hammer turn press. So next will be the hammer turn press. For this one, proceed arm side base, then raise the dumbbell or the weights upward, then push.
Research ko
Then
na.
go back in this position and back. Okay, it's not like the biceps curls where you will twist your pinky. Okay, so it's like this, then up. Let's go. One. Same procedure, shoulder width, paa. Then, inhale, exhale. Push. Okay. Then,
Pero dito rin kasabay.
last one, we have the overhead tricep extension. So for this one, bring our dumbbell up high here.
Biceps.
Make sure that you have your elbow is not moving. It's just moving if it is pointing sideward, but not moving upward. Then sideways. Then push it up like this. Then elbow steady and same procedure as for our lower extremities. Always engage your core. Let's go.
Wala naman ito.
As you can see, my knees are slightly bent, and squeeze your triceps. Engage the feet of our movement. Okay, so that's all for our upper extremities. I will give you 5 minutes to prepare for our
Ano yan?
next exercise.
Sir, may exercise na ba?
Corny. Sunod.
Anong core?
Stop sunod.